Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn about conjunctions. Conjunctions are also known as connectors or linkers or link words. We use conjunctions to join words, a group of words, or sentences. There are three types of conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions, correlative conjunctions. What are coordinating conjunctions? Coordinating conjunctions link two groups of words that independently make sense. Example: for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Here are few example sentences. I rang up, but he didn't speak to me. But is the coordinating conjunction. Slow and steady wins the race. And is the coordinating conjunction. Finish your work, or you will not be sent home, or is the coordinating conjunction. What are subordinating conjunctions? Subordinating conjunctions help us to introduce subordinate clauses. They also used to join subordinate or dependent clauses to main clauses. What are dependent clauses? Dependent clauses express an incomplete sentence. What are main clauses? Main clauses express a complete meaning with subject and predicate. Example: when, though, while, although, since, before, whereas. Let's see some example sentences. He is honest, though he is poor. He is honest is a main clause, though he is poor is a dependent clause. My uncle entered my house while I was doing my homework. My uncle entered my house is a main clause, while I was doing my homework is a dependent clause. Unless you work hard, you cannot secure good marks. In this sentence, you cannot secure good marks is a main clause, unless you work hard is a dependent clause. Let's move to the last one, correlative conjunctions. What are correlative conjunctions? They always in pairs. Two connectors in each sentence that are related to each other. Example, neither, nor, either, or, not only, but also, both, and. These conjunctions are always related to each other. Let's see some example sentences. Neither Ram nor Raju has attended the function. Neither nor are correlative conjunctions. The car is not only economical but also feels good to drive. Not only but also are correlative conjunctions. Sheila is both a singer and a dancer. Here, both and are correlative conjunctions. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson, children. I am also sending a video in which you are able to identify conjunctions. Thank you.